The Camping World exclusive Forest River Campsite Reserve, featuring 3 exciting couples models and 2 family-friendly bunkhouse models, boasts impressive and innovative features like water filtration system, Bluetooth AC with dehumidifier, air fryers, solar setups, and so much more. All of which will make your travel experiences nothing short of extraordinary. From luxury amenities to smart storage solutions, this line of travel trailers is the epitome of comfort, convenience, and adventure, allowing you to explore with unparalleled style and ease. All Forest River Campsite Reserves feature convertible dinette with pull-out drawer storage. You also get pet food and bowl storage, aka shoe storage, 15,000 BTU ducted AC, panoramic square windows, square kitchen window, undermounted stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet, and glass washer. Tons of countertop space, air fryer, Camp King bed, and reading lights, skylight in the shower, mirrored medicine cabinet, power tongue jack, quick drop stabilizer jacks, mega pass-through storage, aluminum rims, and backup camera. Let's start with the campsite reserves that are made for the family. Up first is the 23LM. 30 feet, 1 inch, 6,073 pound bunkhouse beauty. This camper can sleep, let's see, 2, 4, I'm gonna go ahead and say 6, 8. And it's actually laid out fairly well. Double over double bunks here in the rear camp corner with the solid ladder. USB charging, 110. USB charging, 110. Mushroom light, square windows, privacy curtains to give the kids or the family members. But the one thing you're gonna love about the Campsite Reserve line, storage options. And how about drawer storage under the bunks? Yes, finally, somebody has maximized the space and given me something to help with the organization. The 26 CJ, that is the bigger brother. Coming in at 32 feet, 9 inches, and roughly 6,900 pounds. Thanks to the addition of the jackknife sofa, the 26 CJ can sleep up to 9. You got the Contour oversized fireplace down there, roughly 5,000 BTUs of heat, but for storage, they made the angled entertainment center a hidden pantry space as well, maximizing the space, maximizing the storage. Across from that is going to be your comfy jackknife sofa. Once again, another large square window. The 26 CJ is a double over double bunk model. You've seen it. You've probably seen other bunk models. You may have even had one. Did you have the bin storage up front, where you also have USB-C, USB-A, and 110 charging there, your HVAC controls for your high output furnace and high output AC. Now the campsite reserves for the couples start off with the 20AK. It's 25 feet long, roughly 4,500 pounds. This rear kitchen beauty can sleep up to 3. The 23cc is a rear bath coach. 26 feet 9 inches long, roughly 5,900 pounds dry, and can sleep up to 4 if you are okay spooning on that U dinette. As we walk to the rear of the 23cc, convenience, convenience, convenience. A campsite reserve is full of it. For example, USB charging with C and A plus 110 outlets right here on the wall. You got your Furion HVAC controls for your high output furnace and that Bluetooth smart AC that I mentioned earlier. Solid wood door, and dominating the rear wall back here is your rear bath. You got the high-rise plastic bowl with the foot flush here. Let me show you the space. Campsite Reserve giving you creature comforts that a lot of campers don't. I got my angled vanity right here with the oversized sink, mirrored medicine cabinet with the raised lips. I'm a big fan of that because it helps keep your stuff stable when you're in transit. Don't open this up and all of a sudden your bottles and medicines are falling out on you. GFCI outlet, tankless water heater, but look at the ward space that you have here. Enough storage space to probably last a month. Yes, this goes all the way back to the rear wall. I'm extended my whole arm so you have that much space inside of there, not to mention what's in front of the door. Now your shower has a pretty cool feature as well. Tub surround, skylight, which does give me the additional headroom that I need, but you got the Oxygenics brushed nickel shower head. Uses less water, but gives you more pressure. Really like that. Corner mounts for my soaps, my shampoos, shower curtain, and the tub surround means if you bring the dogs or whatever, you can get them cleaned up without spilling over onto your easy to clean, slip resistant, upgraded linoleum flooring. And the 25 MW, that's the big brother rear bath. Weighing in at just over 6,000 pounds dry and just under 30 feet long, can easily accommodate up to, let's say, 5 campers. Here we are inside the kitchen of the Campsite Reserve 25 MW. What's great about this Campsite L is you got the press surface countertops, but they gave you the raised bar top here. Great if you want to use it as a buffet, maybe put some plants there or whatever, but put some stools over there. It's a nice little mini breakfast nook. Large square window over here on the campsite with the hangers for your coffee mugs, your pans, whatever. Got the mushroom lights in there as well. I like how that looks. And you'll notice when you come into the entry point, you do have your command panel here. This allows you to check your battery, check your fresh, check your black, check your gray, which by the way, 40-gallon fresh. You got the 28-gallon gray, 38-gallon black on this one. Solid wood extension on the drawer guides here, good space. But look at my upgraded acrylic front French door fridge freezer combo. Now this is the Furion. It's 12 volt, 10.2 cubic foot, but I like how you got the freezer drawer and the French doors. So whether you're an active couple that just wants to get out and about, or you're looking for your family's next vacation and you don't want to settle for what's out there, you want to get what's right for you, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find what you're looking for in the Campsite Reserve line. And the best part about it is you can only find them at Camping World. So hop on down to your local Camping World or check out rv.campingworld.com to find the one that's right for you. And as always, happy camping.